how I cooked my low budget egusi soup. So this is me washing my fish, my fresh fish I bought from the market. You won't believe that this egusi soup came out delicious. So I'm washing them, taking out the pools out from the fish. Need to wash this fish thoroughly. You can see me, this is the head. I'm taking out the things from the head. Okay, I'm done washing. This is me washing my hand. Just want to make pap for my baby. She's crying, she has not eaten, so I need to make pap for her. This is local cereal called pap. In my language we call it akamu. So washing the pot I will use to cook the food. Okay, this is me washing the pot. Look at the fish already washed. So I won't be frying my egusi. I'm just cooking it locally, the easiest way to cook soup. You can see me cutting my onion into the water. I've already put oil into the water. So that thing I showed you there is my dry fish. I didn't show you when I was washing it. So this thing is boiling, the water is boiling. The water is still boiling. Still boiling. You will close, you leave the water to boil for like 5 minutes. Then after that I will add my dry fish. I didn't show when I added it. Look at it, I've already added the dry fish, so I didn't show it. So I will need to leave it to boil for like 2 minutes so that the taste will come out all the time. You can see I cover the pot. This is my low budget egusi soup. Have you seen me? I'm putting my egusi, my grinded egusi soup, egusi melon. Another name for egusi is melon. So you can see the next thing is my maggi. I'm making use of star maggi. Okay, you can see it. I added three pieces of, this is my fish. I didn't parboil my fish. I did not parboil it because I was in a haste. I wanted to go to farm, so I just need to cook fast and go to farm. Life of a mother of 4 without no help. You can see me adding also the thickener. It will help the egusi to be more thick. Okay, you can see me now. I've turned it, tested it. Okay, I covered it for like 5 minutes. This thing I left it for 4 to boil. Can you see it? I'm zooming it to show you how it looks like. My yummy egusi soup. Egusi soup cook for family of 6. Okay, I covered it again for like 2 minutes. Then I came back and added my onugbo. You can see me, this is bitter leaf. I love bitter leaf with egusi. That's one of my favorites. I'm turning it. Can you see how yummy my soup is? This is my egusi soup, my sape egusi soup. I cooked this thing as fast as, because I was in a haste. I wanted to go to the farm that very day. You can see it's still boiling. I've turned it again, and this is me eating it with my fufu. Oh, bye guys, see you in